Take practice tests for the ACT, SAT, GRE, LSAT, and more for free with your library card. LearningExpress Library offers online test preparation tools and skill-building materials for grades 4 and up. You can take practice tests for the GED, ACT, GRE, and much more. To access LearningExpress Library, visit jesspublib.org/homework-help. Under Test Preparation, click on LearningExpress Library. Choose Sign In, Register. If it's your first time using LearningExpress, you'll need to create an account by registering. LearningExpress Library is organized into different centers. In the GED Test Prep Center, you'll find practice tests, tutorials, and ebooks to help you earn your General Equivalency Diploma. If you're preparing for the SAT, ACT, PSAT, or other college admissions tests, you'll want to click on College Admissions Test Preparation. College students or graduates who want to prepare for college school admissions tests should choose College Students, then Prepare for Graduate School Admissions Exams. Here you'll find preparation for the DAT, GMAT, GRE, LSAT, MAT, MCAT, and PCAT. Note that practice tests are available for all the exams, and some also include ebooks and/or tutorials. Let's take a closer look at the College Admissions Test Preparation Center. And I'm going to choose Prepare for your ACT test. You'll see here that you have several different options, including tutorials, ebooks, and practice tests. So I'm going to choose the Introduction to the ACT Test tutorial and just click Start Tutorial. So you can navigate through this tutorial by clicking here on Start Tutorial or by clicking any unit on the left-hand menu. And this tutorial is just going to give you some information that you need to know to prepare for the ACT test. And I can click here to open up each of the lessons. And here it's going to tell me a little bit about what you'll see on the exam. And you can keep going to find out a little bit more. You don't have to finish the tutorials all at once. If you would like to save and finish it later, you can just click here on Save and Finish Later, and then you'll have a couple of options. You can choose to save, you can close without saving, or you can cancel. And for right now, I'm just going to close without saving. Okay, so I'm going to go back to Prepare for your ACT test. And let's take a look at the practice tests. So you can see that you'll have options for all of the different sections, and you'll have several different practice tests for each section. And you'll also have the option to take several full-length practice tests. So let's take a look at the ACT English practice tests. And I'm going to go with the first test. So over here on the right, you can see that you can take the practice tests in 3 different modes: as a simulated test with a timer, as a practice test where you see the answer explanations after you have finished, or as a learner where you view the answers to each question as you go along. And I'm going to choose learner, and one thing is to make sure that you read all of the instructions before you start the practice test. And then I'm going to click Start Test. Okay, so I think D is the correct answer here. And let's see if I'm right. Yes, I was. And you can see it's going to give you an explanation for my answer. And that's because I'm using the learner mode. Now, if I choose an incorrect answer, so for number 2, I'm going to choose 2 and check answer. It's going to tell me that I'm incorrect, but it's still going to give me an explanation because I'm on that learner mode. Now, just like with the tutorials, you don't have to finish the practice tests all at once. You can just click Finish Later to save it. And I'm going to click this time on Save. So now that I've done that, I'll be able to come back to the test where I left off. And if you ever get lost and can't find a saved test, what you'll do is go up here to where it says your name and then click on My Center. And here you'll find all of the test tutorials and ebooks that you've saved. And here is my ACT English practice test.